CLAT 2026 aspirant, listen closely. So we are in the last 4 months now. This is your crunch time, the phase where ranks are either made or lost. Even if your prep until now was patchy or inconsistent, these next 120 days can completely transform your ranks. It's not about what you did before, it's about what you can do now. Hi guys, this is Ayantika, your legal faculty here at Clatapult. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a study plan that is practical, doable, and proven to work. Your first step is brutal honesty with yourself and take one mock test, untimed if needed, and mark out your weak sections. Maybe your RC accuracy is poor, or maybe you panic in maths, or maybe your GK scores are stuck. So don't ignore these, because CLAT is a game of averages across the sections. Your weak areas can drag down your total score even if you're strong elsewhere. So we will attack the weak sections first while maintaining our strong areas. Revise, read and solve questions. Maintain a notebook of important facts for quick review. Next would be to practice 2 core subjects of your choice and rotate that each subjects get practiced 3 times in a week. For example, Monday you can take up legal and English, Tuesday you can take up maths and logic, Wednesday you can take up legal, GK and English, for Thursdays maths and legal, and for Fridays logic and English. Also remember to face your fears. If you are scared of maths or GK, schedule them more often and not less. Remember, confidence comes from familiarity. Also remember that last 40 minutes of your day should be a quick recap of everything that you have studied in that day. In the last 4 months, revision should be layered. So in the first month, cover everything again and focus on having a conceptual clarity. Now next 6 weeks would be active recall through practice papers. And in the last month, only high-yielding mocks and proper materials to focus on. Always keep a mistake journal where you write the exact reason why you went wrong and how you went wrong, so that you don't repeat the mistake again. Now coming to mocks. Mocks are your trial run. Start by practicing 2 mocks per week in the initial 2 months, and in the last 2 months increase it to 4 mocks per week. Always stimulate the exam condition, the same time slot as the real CLAT, and no interruptions. Spend double time on analysis compared to the actual time of taking mock. Now let's discuss some hacks to gain extra marks. For GK, use monthly compendiums and daily headlines and don't just focus on random news. For legal reasoning, read the principle twice before looking at the question. Half of the silly mistake happens here. For English reading comprehension, don't just read it like a novel. Scan the words that actually match your question. For maths, memorize basic percentage, ratio, times, distance, speed, shortcut formulas. This basically saves your precious minutes. And for puzzle questions in logic, jot down quick diagrams rather than doing it mentally. Also, once a week, try to have a discussion with your peers, exchange doubts, share GK facts, and debate legal topics. Remember, teaching others fix your own knowledge. Lastly, let's talk about mental fitness and energy management. Burnout is real, so remember to take 2 breaks of 1 hour each daily. Maybe go out for a walk or listen to some music, or maybe hang out with friends. Stay around positive people because energy is contagious. Sleep 6 to 8 hours because brain fatigue kills accuracy. And before each study session, set a micro goal. That is, I will complete this topic within 45 minutes. This keeps your mind sharp. 4 months. That is all you have and that is all you need. So stay disciplined, consistent and strategic. Thank you and see you in the next video.